Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 23rd of October 2023. Bears tightened their grip in the domestic stock market as benchmark indices extended their losses to a fourth straight session. The market opened lower and never had a chance to recover, extending losses, especially towards the close. Sentiments on Dalal Street were hurt by weakness in the global market. Surging US bond yield is one of the key reasons that is hurting markets across the world. The Nifty 50 index slipped 1.34%, or 260.90 points to 19,281.75, while the BSE flagship 30-share Sensex dipped 1.26%, or 825.74 points to 64,571.88. Among the Nifty 50 stocks, there were just two gainers. Mahindra & Mahindra and Bajaj Finance ended the day marginally higher. LTIMindtree, Adani Enterprises, Hindalco Industries, and JSW Steel were those that suffered the most, falling 3 to 4%. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Amber Enterprises tumbled 11%, to the day's low of 2,712 rupees after the company's net loss widened to 5.6 rupees crore in the September quarter as against a loss of 2.2 rupees crore a year ago. The company's consolidated total income surged 23% on year to 938 rupees crore in quarter 2, financial year 2024 from 762 rupees crore in quarter 2 financial year 2024. However, its total income declined 45% on quarter from 1,721 rupees crore in quarter 1, financial year 2024. Operating earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization for the quarter, meanwhile, climbed by 25% year-over-year to 65 rupees crore versus 52 rupees crore in the year-ago period. Shares of ADITYA BIRLA Fashion and Retail slipped 2% in trade on October 23, after its subsidiary ADITYA BIRLA Digital Fashion Ventures entered into a shareholder agreement and a share subscription agreement for buying 51% stake in Styleverse Lifestyle for 155 rupees crore. As of the quarter ended September, promoters maintained their 55.5% in the company over quarters. FIIs and DIIs owned 14% and 17% respectively, while the public had around 13%. In the April-June quarter, the company reported a quarterly net loss at 161.62 rupees crore, against a profit of 94.44 rupees crore in the corresponding quarter in the previous fiscal year. IDBI Bank shares traded in the red after gaining 2% in early trade as the lender reported a net profit of 1,323 rupees crore, up 60% year-on-year, for the second quarter ended September on the back of a fall in bad loans. The bank clocked a total income of 6,924 rupees crore in the second quarter of the current fiscal year, compared to 6,066 rupees crore in the corresponding quarter in the previous financial year. IDBI Bank saw an improvement in its asset quality as the gross non-performing assets stood at 4.9% of the gross advances, a significant drop from the 16.51% recorded at the end of September 2022. Its net NPAs fell to 0.39% from 1.15% on year. Subsidiary Tata Power Renewable Energy has signed a power delivery agreement with Supreme Petrochem for a 12.5 megawatt group captive project through a SPV, TP Saturn. This Achigaon, Maharashtra, plant will generate around 27.5 million units of renewable power annually. MAC Power in daily time frame is trading around 441.3 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 1.1 million shares. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 85.03, which indicates overbought region. Hind Rectifiers in daily time frame is trading around 416.8 points with a change of 14.21%. And is trading with a net volume of around 143,000 shares. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.21. For stocks to watch, we have Tata Power looks good on current market price of 1506. It can be bought at 1507 rupees, keeping target of 1540 rupees with stop loss of 1479. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.